All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and let's talk about parts identifying as something else. So there's been, being Pride Month, I think it's still Pride Month, there's been some jokes going around the shop, and I started them. Before anybody comments, it's a joke. Identify as whatever, good for you, don't care, be happy. If you're gay, be happy, don't care, be you. I have a firm policy on the fact that love is deaf, dumb, blind, and stupid. And if you need proof of that, I'm about to celebrate my 20th anniversary. So yes, a woman has stayed married to me for 20 years. That doesn't prove that statement towards me. Nothing will. But we've had a rash of parts that identify as something else get delivered here by our friends at Worldpack. We had a time crunch Friday. Working on it was actually in last week's Thursday, what's going on around the shop. I don't think I had it in the shop. I think it was still outside, but I talked about it. I went to do the alternator, and the belt tensioner piston was seized. Now the alternator was turning, it was putting out 0 volts. It was still turning, I know it was turning. Belt was tight, but I could not get that sucker loose for anything. I mean, I was literally bending my Matco 3/8 drive, long, extended. I was bending the arm. I was bending the handle. So had to cut the belt off, order a belt tensioner. Well, guess what showed up? A crankcase breather that identified as a belt tensioner. And we've been having a huge rash of that. I mean, for whatever reason, where part numbers aren't even close, but it's got the Worldpack tag on it with what you ordered, but it's completely wrong. Obviously, that makes for rather, it's really difficult to finish a car when you get a part that identifies as a belt tensioner, and it's a crankcase vent for an Audi 2.0. But we've gotten a bunch of that kind of stuff where it's just weird. You know, you order brake pads and you get an alternator. You order an alternator, you get brake pads. Just stuff to keep life interesting, I guess. But so anyway, hopefully your parts identify as what you need. As always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.